Ladies and gentlemen, Spirit Airlines would like to welcome you to Portland, where the local time is 11:43. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please be careful when opening the overhead bins. You may now use your cell phones or wireless email devices. If you are continuing on to another Spirit Airlines destination, please check the monitors in the terminal or ask a Spirit Airlines agent for your flight and gate number information. Checked baggage may be claimed at Spirit Airlines baggage claims area. Customers needing special assistance today, such as wheelchairs, please remain seated until the majority of the passengers have deplaned, as wheelchairs will not be available until the end of the deplaning process. We invite you to visit our website at spiritair.com, where you can check in online, enter comments about your flight experience, and get great low fares on future flights, car rentals, hotels, vacation packages, and even cruises. Thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We take pride in being the first ultra-low-cost carriers in the Americas and look forward to offering you the best low fares next time you fly with us. Thank you.